Hi everyone, I'm thrilled to unveil a game-changing feature within the Wealthy Affiliate. It's called Wealthy Affiliate Hubs Milestones. Whether you're a seasoned user or you're new to the platform, this tool nestled within the Hubs feature is engineered to help you track pivotal writing and business milestones, ensuring a seamless journey in the digital realm. But before we delve into this exciting feature, let's rewind a bit and explore what Wealthy Affiliate is. It's not merely a platform, it's a dynamic community, a reservoir of knowledge, and the catalyst for numerous online success stories, mine included. Wealthy Affiliate provides the essential tools, training, and support to transform your online dreams into reality. Now let's talk about Wealthy Affiliate Hubs. These are not your run-of-the-mill writing spaces. They're the incubators of success. A hub is where you craft and nurture your online presence, your digital storefront in the vast world of the internet. It's where ideas morph into articles and articles evolve into a powerful online identity. Enter Hub's Milestones, a robust tool seamlessly integrated into the Wealthy Affiliate platform, empowering users on their online ventures. It's a dynamic tracker for crucial writing and business milestones, offering a clear and organized way to monitor progress as you build and develop your online presence too. Now let's talk about the streamlined content creation process. Wealthy Affiliate equips you with the tools and knowledge to efficiently create content that not only resonates with your audience but also captivates search engines. It's not just about writing, it's about creating content that truly matters. Believe it or not, 7 is the magic number. Why? Because that's the average number of pages on a website across the vast expanse of the internet. So when you hit that milestone, you're not just keeping up, you're already surpassing the norm. Now here's where the magic happens. As soon as you hit 8 articles, you're catapulting yourself into a realm beyond the average. Imagine achieving this within a week or two. That's the power of Wealthy Affiliates Hub's guidance and your dedication. These milestones aren't just about writing, they are milestones in your business. They signify doors opening to a world of opportunities. Building your website and creating valuable content aren't just steps, they are leaps towards and earning through affiliate programs, partnering with advertising networks, and establishing authority and traffic in your niche. If you're on a similar journey or contemplating diving into the world of online success, I highly recommend exploring Wealthy Affiliate. It's more than just a platform. It's a guide, a companion, and a catalyst for your digital dreams. Go to the description below and click on the link there to join Wealthy Affiliate and start using Hubs. Here's to celebrating milestones and embracing the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.